Welcome to this rare opportunity for a huge duplex on 5 peaceful acres. Located just outside of Sweet Home with gorgeous valley views, this expansive property includes room for a garden and fruit trees. Heading inside this more than 5,400 square foot duplex, you'll find generous living spaces, a beautiful view deck, and each side has its own full kitchen. In total, you'll find 7 bedrooms and 5 baths. On the second story, you'll find 2 kitchenettes, one on each side, plus additional large bedrooms. It's ideal for multi-generational housing, a care facility, or income-producing property. It's also thoughtfully designed with separate living and dining spaces and 6 entrance doors. On the lower level, you'll find additional flexible spaces, including a bonus game room and a 3rd kitchenette. One side has 2nd-story access and could be rented as 2 units. Other features include plenty of parking space, a covered deck for taking in the tranquil setting, and a shed for extra storage. You'll also enjoy low taxes, plus low utility cost with a well and septic system. Inquire today to find out more about this fantastic opportunity. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact TJ Garber with Premier Property Group.